like I promised in the last video. Today I'm coming with a step-by-step guide you can actually apply in your life. If you've decided that you want to start exercising every day, this is how you do it the right way. Step 1. Decide and commit. Make a clear, definite decision. I will exercise every day starting today. Write it down. Say it aloud. When you make a decision and declare it, your mind understands this is no longer optional, it is non-negotiable. Step 2. Start small. Don't aim for 1 hour at the gym on day 1. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of movement. Stretching, walking, or simple body weight exercises. Small actions build momentum. Momentum builds habit. Step 3. Choose one consistent time. Pick one time you can repeat every day. Morning, lunch break, or evening. At the beginning, consistency is more important than intensity. Your goal is not to impress anyone. Your goal is to build discipline. Step 4. Make it easy to begin. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Keep water nearby. Remove excuses before they appear. The easier it is to start, the less your mind will resist. Step 5. Track your progress. Check off each day you complete your exercise. Build a streak. When you see progress visually, your subconscious mind wants to continue. You begin to identify as someone who exercises daily. Step 6. Focus on completing, not perfecting. Even 5 minutes counts. The key is to finish what you planned, no matter what. Each completed session sends a powerful message to your brain. I start and I finish. That is how self-control is built. Step 7. Gradually increase the challenge. Once the habit feels natural, increase the time, intensity, or add new exercises. Growth becomes easier when consistency becomes automatic. Remember this. Success in building a habit is not about extreme motivation or willpower. It is about small daily victories. Every day you exercise. Even for a few minutes you train your mind to follow your direction, not distractions. Over time, discipline becomes identity. Consistency becomes lifestyle. Now I challenge you. Apply this for the next 2 weeks. No excuses. Start small but stay consistent. Then come back after 2 weeks and let me know were you able to apply it in your life. I'm waiting to hear your results.